Have you set up email rules in Outlook, but they are not just doing anything? Well, your Outlook email rules can stop working for a number of reasons. Your rules might have crossed the size limit. There could be a conflict between two rules, or a recent update might have caused them to stop applying together. But do not worry, because every single one of these problems has a real fix. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix so your Outlook rules start applying automatically just the way you set them up. And if problem does not go away easily, then dial the given numbers on the screen to get one-on-one expert help. Now, let's get right into it. First, you should open your Outlook application. After that, click on the Home tab and then select the Rule option. Next, from the Open list of options, select Manage Rules and Alerts. Now, click on the New Rule option. When a new pop-up box appears on the screen, select the rule you are having issues with and check it with the Edit Rule Description section. Also, you need to properly specify the description of the rule to work with properly. Once that's done, click on the Next button and your problem should be resolved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.